Mama wa Kwaba wofre me adwoa search name mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Kwabene Marfo eye nsemtroni odini djuma ewo despite media na Ghana fo bia Ghana ho dadwen edomo akoma so awomo empese basabasayo ebesi wo Ghana hanom titiri pa ewo abra next year 2024 djumedi kese pa de yanim mekire ye ba beto aba ewo Ghana hanom a amanfo bi empese basabasayo ebeba no omo akoma adwen e de akire Kwabene Marfo awomo etrese despite media ho na wote na wodi nsem ho no onjai enye no nko a reply amanfo bi e de ema no e bebre ebusuafo me de ensema Ghana fo aka akire Kwabene Marfo ebebro na ansa na no e de nti e na ama Ghana fo bi aka ensem we e de akire Kwabene Marfo eye Madam Jane Mensa a oye boss eda Electoral Commission ano ewo Ghana ha e de ensem bi abetudwa a wo kire se next year abato na ye ba beto no eye sa enke na wokoto aba no mo do wonsa ahyem na e di adanse kire se wakwakoto aba no next year sa enke no etwem ye use bi o na emom no biometric wo do wonsa kosi machine so a untumi nsanso
Electoral Commission
embembe to aba because
ebem se
wonsa si machine so na already
na omo pasumje enu wo muti wanu mu asumje mu a wo mo mpe enki eno na yede ya wonsa ho a okwa pepa enye yie enti wo de ba police station wanu mu a agent ya wote wonu behu se wo wa ba beto batu pe ka tre yen se ena de yenyusu enki no bio na nipa no waba no obeto a okọ eno anu no ntumi nsa mba back maami je mensa wo ho maami je mensa ya so hu o mani aso utuom sa maami wei sa tam anu wote ai o se ho ahwan platform so a wo yi wo mu pani okasa ayate so osoro abofo but adie no a okasa tia no obetena wo no wo ye ne 10 times autocratic leadership obi antunufo de wono pa no wo ye ade a wo ye ne ade nto kobebe de tekre wegem bese emfa no ho ade a eye good ne se watu aba ye de wonsa hye inkim enki ya ton ne sai anyama na musi democracy expensive no
and to Kwabene wo mpene so
enki no asase ya yusu
aye bayo
Majari.
What was says to be agency, you know,
why does someone to me some to be you?
A president was out to be him.
Guarantee, bay, and a mammy will bet to me the Amay and so, want to me some to be you. Sir, I dear Mama argument. Majani endaribo enkino ani ya de ya nsa ho no fort ben na wo ho.
Fort na why na wakase fort wo.
Adenti na wo ye firi ho.
Wa chirem se ye de bayo.
Enti no awade aba na nto ya sum. O ma ye nkoso ani
wona nto wasum. Wona nto wasum.
Majani.
Wona nto wasum na wakase. Nto ya sum as a Ghana for
Majani. Okay. Se wono dia wase di opa no wo pese wo ya. Waso person wa ye du obi anya bi ta obi ahu
mama question
onkwaso
Kwabene Marfo
no problem tese when we say majari we ma dia ye wo MPP for ni bitrim
let's
say you support to MPP.
To me call and sanso emma embeto second one. Na ensem we beto odwa and ana pay. Neat FM omo ye ho discussion and na Kwabene Marfo etrese. Eye Madam Jane Mensa sa Rusia ode abe. Ode ba bewia abanimu ama NPP fo na enye kra na Madam Jane Mensa why no ho autocratic de obeka no obi nka bi na emom no onhwe ye se na be ya basabasa yo ensi ne no e na Ghana fo bi e kire se Kwabene Marfo na nka se yenim so ye journalist o se oye blogger se oye hwayo so ye NPP o se oye adwuma ma NDC o so oye adwuma ma NPP o untumi hu ne left from the right ye hu ne opa kire e wo radio station so ho as a journalist awako school a onim ne ye no obi na no ana okasa ene Ghana fo bi akekọ ma adwen de a kire ne pa na busuafo yentie ensem a Kwabene Marfo e de etu dwane metie ensem a Ghana fo bi nso e de ama no as reply ebusuafo ene na mo asuma ochia me onim na asem kan osena na wasuma ensem we na Kwabene Marfo etumi ahwenyame anim e de atudwa se enka ye de ensa kohye mi no ye koye anim ne Kwabene Marfo so mo ompe Ghana fo bi e kire se mo pese Ghana e ye se US Canada UK nenso niema US Canada na UK omo aye omo de akomo anim ne mo pese mo be yesa niema ne tie nsem a Ghana fo bi nso e kan e de e kire Kwabene Marfo we e kire say despite media should better advise this foolish man called Kwabene Marfo to stop fooling. What is this? And I went so a kweku a Japan and what I say, this guy pa, is he correct? And I went so say, he still needs free education. He will always compare Ghana to US but refuse to do what they are doing to make them progress. This is always the mindset of some of the NDC supporters. Okay, intellectual dishonesty. And I went so Nana Marfo senior and what I said Kwabene Marfo is fooling too much on Ansubio and what I said no wonder he doesn't show his face. And I went so Dominic Esiedu and what I said I'm very disappointed in Kwabene Marfo. He's obviously a member of the NDC, but that doesn't stop him from saying the truth. Okay. Way Ewa Joshua and I say you are just talking trash. If 200 people vote for Mahama and 201 vote for Dr. Bawumia, do you want her to say Mahama have won? I never knew this. Kwabene Marfo is one of the NDC's communications manager. He should know better. And I went so Peter Anderson and what I say all these things are called journalists, always misleading the public. And I went so Mosi Pa and what I say. Is this guy journalist or NDC member? If you claim to be journalist, just present the case as it and leave the judgment for your listeners. Okay, in the same way, and I'm gonna fully aka ede actually Kwabene Marfo.
Every vim lady if you are joining a dear na bro election analysis solid one I bet your party no so be winning and our party no winning especially around this time afrafato movement any break Canada Japan call for declare finally say omobeko support Dr. Bawumia obe stay in MPP no aye adwuma ma MPP na which was a party supporters in bebre so nam so can different thing. I mean this week na ebinum nam Ghana we because oh na Bawumia kramon selective running mate because we lose dada ena odeko. But finally Canada Japan nankasa who is the candidate bona fide onu no jina na no primaries onya at least in excess of 37%. Let's say he will stay in the party, he will help the party. Obey Jumama party, and shame on West. You see, I think that finally, you see, Honorable Kennedy Japan, he's grounded now. He's grounded now. And on what I say, Obetime making major difference of presidential level no in Ghana politics. And yet, the Biana was also so. Now I think that you can Obetime the dance and say he's maturing and he's matured. He's maturing and he's matured in terms of politics. First, people would have expected Senka we no go back Canadian. Not joining our catcher. If you look at even his demeanor, party or mukoye party be US Minnesota was saying. If you even look at the demeanor near the boys and I'm China. Momo ya appointed spokesperson amonam making very alarmist comment for Canada Japan na shut up. Munina, you should all shut the F up. All of you should shut the F up. Because Canada Japan appointed him. So you are going around there on your campaign, Bawumia or no kasa. Say he stay in the party. Masem saying. Because you see Canada Japan and kasa him say between NDC and MPP, the umbrella now ohiano vote no hiano is within the two parties.
Ghana third force one ma Kofi Cranton nom ne yenu anoma including third force Dr. Ankra mo starting na ya kwachi ni spokesperson ya de na kokko to afa na ya se mani belo se de no. All of you know say even third force is very difficult to form a bona fide third force abegina on aso